Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play with black and whites in Photopea.com. First thing first, let's go to Photopea.com and upload the picture that you want to work on, or a couple of pictures. It's completely up to you. And now let's go to the top left corner of your screen and click on image. Then go to adjustments and then click on black and white. Straight away you can colorize it in the color you want to pack in. Let's go with red, for example. Okay, and you see that from black we are at red at the moment, and you see that we also are changing the labels. You can scratch in the preview button, so if you want how it behaves. And now you can basically play with the colors and basically make the appealing. So you can see when you are playing with green, the most thing that is changing is the green trees, obviously. And that's how you do it, basically. It just needs some practice, but I believe you can do it. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.